Are you studying at home or even at school? Feel a little stuck and somewhat bored? Well then stay tuned to my YouTube as I welcome you back to the drawing board.
Hi, welcome back to the drawing board. Today we're going to look at the ch sound. So, which letters make ch? There are two. A curly k and h. Together they make ch.
Listen carefully for this sound, but don't worry about any names, just the words, as they will help us when we come to practice. Now, let's see what's happening around the world.
Here we have Chad from Chad, who is eating a burger and chips for his lunch. So, which words in that clip had the ch sound? There was chips and lunch. Let's practice chips. Starting with ch, I, p, and s. Ch, I, p, s. Chips. Now let's try lunch. Starting with l, n, and ch, l, n, ch. Lunch. Next up is Charlie from Chile. He needs to check how much money he has. Now, you may have heard check and much. Let's practice check. Ch, e, and k. Ch, e, k. Check. Now let's try much. And ch. Ch. Much. Now we head back to Chad. Oh dear, he may have finished eating, but he has sauce left on his left cheek and crumbs all over his chin. What could we hear this time? There was cheek and chin. So, starting with cheek. Ch, e, and k. Ch, e, k. Cheek. Now on to chin. Ch, I, and n. Ch, I, n. Chin. And last but not least, we have Charmaine from China, who is sitting on a bench. It seems a lot more comfortable than a chair. Now, what were our two words? We had bench and chair. Starting with bench. B, e, n, and ch. B, e, n, ch. Bench. And finally, let's try chair. Ch. And air. Ch. Air. Chair. I hope you enjoyed practicing the ch sound today. Perhaps you can think of more words which have this sound. See you next time!